The market theme sentiments are seen improving after Wall Street stabilized in overnight trade. So, the good news, the US CPI fell more than expected. A softer inflation data erased the risk of a Federal Reserve rate hike this month. Hush, the biggest risk, crude oil climbed to nearly $81 per barrel, reaching its highest level in almost a month after the collapse of the US-Iran truce reignited concerns over supply disruptions. The United Arab Emirates said two of its tankers were struck while transiting the waterway, highlighting growing risks to one of the world's busiest energy routes. Our call of the day, the spotlight will also be on Q1 FY27 earnings, where corporate commentary will determine whether the Wall Street bulls can extend their momentum. Bottom line, we will spy with one big eye if Nifty is able to shrug off the rising US-Iran conflict. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's negative session, FII sold to the tune of Rs 740 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 2928 crores. Sentiments are likely to remain risky for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty appears headed for massive consolidation. FNO July month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index spiked towards 13.75 levels. At last check, USD INR, July, has firmed up higher towards 96.39 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th July, is at 1.06 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.85. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.56. Midcap Nifty is at 0.95. Nifty outlook, a positive start on cards with biggest hurdles to watch is at 24,257 mark. If corporate India's Q1 earnings continue to surprise positively, Nifty's march towards its 200 DMA near 24,836 could gather momentum. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 24,052. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,991 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,257 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,900 and 24,300. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 77,055. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 76,259 mark on closing basis. Immediate major resistance is placed at 78,665 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 76,700 to 77,700. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 57,462. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 56,500 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 58,707 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,000 and 58,000. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. In yesterday's trade, Nifty witnessed wild swings as escalating Middle East tensions and Iran's renewed threat to close the Strait of Hormuz rattled investors' sentiment. The negative takeaway was that amidst volatility, Nifty snapped its three-day losing streak. Sectors likely to outperform. 1. Pharma and healthcare. Defensive buying likely to continue amid geopolitical uncertainty. Pharma remains the best performing NSE sector in 2026. 2. Private banks and financials. The start of the earnings season could keep the sector in limelight. Sectors likely to underperform. 1. Oil marketing companies, OMCs. Rising crude oil prices could pressure marketing margins. 2. Aviation. Higher ATF costs remain a key headwind. 3. Auto, fuel-sensitive names. Rising oil prices and inflation concerns may cap gains. 4. Paints and chemicals. Margin worries if crude remains elevated. Stocks to watch. Positive bias: Divi's Lab, Sun Pharma, Up Capital, Bharti Airtel, Fortis Healthcare, ONGC, Home First Finance, Mankind Pharma, Lupin, Hindalco, Nalco. Negative bias: DR. Reddy's Laboratories, BPCL, HPCL, Interglobe Aviation, Indigo, Trent, Maruti Suzuki, BDL. Q1 FY27 earnings today, Wednesday, 15th July. Angel One, Union Bank of India, HDFC AMC, HDFC Life Insurance, ICICI Lombard General Insurance, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. Grow. 16th July, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Polycab India, Geo Financial Services. 17th July, Reliance Industries, JSW Steel, Havells India. 18th July, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank.